Hello everyone, my name is Naila Morita Chakra Rafiun and my student ID is 2024-32051. For today's practical session, I will be breaking down the process of creating the user interface for a music player application I named Z-Waves. And this is a very exciting project because we are not just focusing on one static look. Instead, we will explore how an explanation adapts to user preference through light and dark mode features. And in this video, I will explain everything for organizing the structure and creating atomic components to setting up the interactive prototyping that makes the app feel alive. And so let's dive into the steps. Okay, the first step in this practice is setting up the grid and basic structure. We are using two main frames size for a mobile device, more specifically an iPhone 17. And the design concept I'm going for here is modern minimalist. And in light mode, the design is dominated by bright tones using a white background, gray elements, and blue gradients. And in contrast, the dark mode is dominated by dark tones featuring a near black background, deep blue, and blue gradients. And looking at the layers list, I have divided the workspace into several main sections. To the top part for navigation and the theme toggle, and the middle section for music content like new release and top playlists, and the bottom section for the navigation bar. It is very important to name every layer clearly to keep the design process organized. And now let's talk about the components. And the heart of this design lies in a system of components that I create separately. The first component is the mode toggle. I create a master component for this switch with two distinct states, a sun icon for light mode and a moon icon for a dark mode. And using states like this is crucial for making global theme change easy. Okay, moving the new release section, we see music card component. Each card consists of an image placeholder displaying of the album cover, like albums from Olivia Rodrigo and Bruno Mars, the song title, and the artist name. For the top playlist, I use more dynamic color gradations, and for example, on the My Tyler Era playlist, I use a mix of purple and dark blue to create a strong aesthetic vibe. And here, I applied the principle of visual hierarchy so that the playlist title stands out more than its descriptions. Next, we move to the color section page or the color palette. In light mode, I use a clean white background with bold text to maintain high contrast. Conversely, in dark mode, we use a very dark background, aka almost black, to provide eye comfort when using the app at night. Notice how the purple accent color remains consistent across both modes, and especially on the see all text and navigation icons. And maintaining this consistent accent color is important for the brand identity of the Z-Waves application, ensuring it remains recognizable to user regardless of the theme they choose. And the final part of this session is prototyping. If you look at blue lines on the screen, you can see to I have connect the toggle switch from light mode to the dark mode frame. And I'm using on click or on tap interaction combined with a smart animate transition. This allows elements like icons and the background to change smoothly when clicked, giving the app a premium and responsive feel. Additionally, I prepared the bottom navigation bar, which contains four main icons: home, search, library, and profile. And these icons are designed to be easily reachable by the user's thumb, following following ergonomic design principle for mobile device. And in the navigation bar, the home menu icon appears darker than the others, and this marks the active menu, indicating that the user is currently off that specific page. And here is a quick preview of the final result of this practical session. Okay, that concludes the breakdown of the steps for the Z-Waves UI design. From this project, we learned the small details such as the mode toggle and playlist card choice have a significant impact on the overall user experience. So, thank you for watching in this video. I hope this explanation regarding the components and design flow was helpful. That's all from me. I'm Nela Amorita Chakraviun and see you in the next video.